Okay, so I'm just getting from the gym and I want to show you a really cute hairstyle that you can wear just so you can look cute. Okay, let's get into it. And so first I'm going to take this down. I know. So I got my hair done maybe like almost 2 weeks ago, and I got a roller set, and I call it my little Marilyn Monroe look. But the curls have lasted really well. I've been using this size roller and this size roller, and I just alternate throughout my head, and then I wear a bonnet on my hair, and in the morning I just take it out, shake, and we're ready to go. So anyway, let's get into this tutorial. So I am not the best at parting my hair, I can admit that. But this is just for the video so you can get the idea. Okay, so really cute, really 10-minute hairdo, something other than just putting your hair in a bun and going. You can use this as a second option. So I just grab one side of my hair and put this up like so. And it really helps that my hair has been roller set. Otherwise, you would probably have to curl it and put heat on it. And I don't know about you, but the less heat, the better. Where's my other? Hold on one second. I need one more elastic. Okay, I'm back. So, yeah, using heat on your hair as less as possible really prevents breakage. I recommend getting your hair trimmed at least once a month, just to ensure you don't have any dead ends that will split to your roots and your hair will fall out. And so there's that. It's like little messy little space buns. Is it age appropriate? Yes. I don't think I don't think people under 20 can just wear this hairstyle. I think it's really cute. Gives me like a 90s vibe. And yeah, it's something different other than your original bun that we just throw up there. And another thing, you don't have to worry about your hair sweating out as bad if you get a roller set. I mean, for me personally, I don't sweat that much, but I can tell that my hair has sweated while I was in spin class. But you can definitely get a roller set and do this hairstyle, and you can wear it all week. I'll probably wear my hair like this to work tomorrow, and then I will wash my hair because it's been 2 weeks of my roller set, and yeah, I'm ready for something new. So stay tuned for my next tutorial, and happy Monday.